right, it's a second case of hepatitis A, and it's surfaced here in Erie County this week. Now, health officials are holding another set of clinics to administer vaccines. News 4's Angela Cristoforos is in the newsroom this afternoon with details on the latest case and what you can do if you think you've been exposed. Angela.
In the past few years, there have been significant outbreaks of hepatitis A among homeless populations in other parts of the country, like San Diego and Detroit. Now, Erie County health officials say a homeless man was infected at City Missions here in Buffalo, and they're trying to prevent a similar outbreak from happening here.
We have to worry, we have to be a little bit more aggressive about the homeless population contracting hepatitis A compared to the general population.
This morning, 96 free vaccinations were administered at the Buffalo City Mission to people who may have been exposed to hepatitis A. Anyone who stayed at or visited the mission between January 24th and February 4th could be at risk after a homeless man who stayed there tested positive.
Hepatitis A is fecal-oral transmission, and so there are, specific, activities you'd need to engage in to potentially be exposed. So, eating here, sharing food, like sharing a bag of potato chips.
Dr. Burstein says other risk factors include sleeping near the infected man and sharing the same bathroom as him.
We really want to make sure we're aggressive to try to offer a post-exposure prophylaxis so those individuals will not get infected.
Although health officials are taking precautions, the City Mission Senior Director says there is no reason to be fearful.
Because we do keep records of who comes and goes, the dates they come in, the dates they leave, it actually was quite easy to hone down the number of people who were at potential risk in the time frame that was identified to us.
She admits that tracking down homeless people is a challenge, but the City Mission is working with other homeless providers in the community to reach them.
Our homeless community is very small. Everybody knows who's who, so the word's getting out there.
Hepatitis A is contagious, but it can take weeks before someone shows symptoms. Officials say the Buffalo man who was infected is no longer a risk. Another clinic is being held at City Mission on 100 East Tupper Street today from 4 to 7 p.m. Officials say this latest case of hepatitis A isn't related to the other case earlier this week involving a nursing home and a restaurant. In the newsroom, Angela Cristoforos, News 4.
All right.